Oh yes. Yo. Oh shit. Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? Mbashimane bami ninizela. Tomorrow togarele ko siga lounge ko pagalane da. So if you seen the post da, tomorrow togarele ko siga lounge. If you're a stand-up comedian, you want to be a stand-up comedian, you're a stand-up comedian, can do the stand-up comedian, just come through. The show is called So You Think You Are Funny. So what you do, you just come with your bus. Make sure to trace about who. So tomorrow we're going to be at Cigar Lounge. I'm going to be your host for the night. Khotana Mahala. Make sure you come, man. Just make sure you come. Make sure you come. Cigar Lounge. Cigar Lounge. Cigar Lounge. Go bula ka 7 go tsana mahala o comedian o katla o ska simolola o re wa tsogatla. This is your chance to shine. Just come through tlo trisa batho re tsana mahala di khoro di bula ka 7.